Yesu namwamini, nimemwona thabiti. Yesu, Yesu yu thamani, ahadi zake kweli. Yesu, Yesu namwamini, nimemwona thabiti. Yesu, Yesu yu thamani, ahadi zake kweli.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is misswachera. In case you are new here, remember to subscribe. Let's grow and glow together. How are you guys? I'm very excited. I'm going to pick my television and my washing machine. I'm so excited guys, I'm so pumped. Let me tell you, if there's one thing I've dreamt about ever since I was a baby, is having a washing machine. Okay, granted, my mom has always been supportive. She has always washed my clothes. Nilianza kuosha nguo when I was in Form 1 in high school, and I didn't know that bed sheets are washed, so I stayed the whole time without washing my bed sheets. And my mom was like, how many times do you wash your bed sheets? Like, I've never washed my bed sheets. Like, no girl, you have to wash your bed sheets every week. I was like, oh, because I used to find my sheets are changed and all that. So growing up as an adult, I was like, this is one chore that I hate the most. If you're not new to my channel or you're an OG, you know that I hate washing clothes. All my cleaning videos, I've always complained how much I hate washing clothes. And today is the day that we break that chain. I'm so happy and I'm pumped, and nobody can convince me that God is not good, because tunasemanga ipo siku, and my ipo siku for washing machine ni leo. I know for some people this is norm, you grew up with it, but for me this is a blessing, I'm telling you. And one thing that I've learned in this life, learn to celebrate your wins. My life may be different for somebody else, but learn to celebrate your wins. Learn to celebrate your wins. No matter how small they look, no matter how tiny they look, guys, learn to celebrate your wins. And I'm very happy that I'm here. Number one, I'm very happy because of God. And number two, because he connects me with the right people. Okay, so moving into this house, we did move in with my partner, and we have been doing this together. And I'm so happy, because if I was alone, kidogo singeenda haraka the way I'm going right now. So we are furnishing. You know, my sitting room is blank, so the first thing you're buying in that sitting room is a 65-inch TV. Okay, my people from the Western region, they are proud of me. Yeah, I know I'm a Morima babe, but I'm representing my Western people. We are going to buy a big TV. So I wanted a 75-inch, but when I went to the shop, it was so ginormous. Nah, let's wait until we get a TV room. Anyway, I know I'm going to talk a lot. It's already 4 minutes in. Let's go. I'm going to get my things at Hot Point in Village Market, and they have a 50% off, which is going to end in August. So make sure you go. I know I'm going to be posting. I have a video, so I'm going to post the third Sunday of the month of July. We're in July. So the offer is still running up to August, so make sure you go and grab something for yourself, because one thing about this girl, she's going to take any offer she gets, because even my kitchen items, I bought them last year in November. So yeah, it takes time. Okay, growth takes time, and it's not as fast as your influencers make it look like. If you're not sponsored, because I'm not sponsored by any company yet, so if you're not sponsored, it will take time. Okay, so don't beat yourself. Pole too, we are going to get there, but let's go. I'm here. I'm here. That is what I'm taking home for 84,000. Alafu, mko na vacuum cleaner? Utanionyesha?
Kuna nini? kusaidia tu maybe watu watatu wasaidiane na watu wetu wanakujanga wawili.
They had so many fabric options. I got confused, like literally 1,000. But luckily, I had gone on Pinterest and I knew what I wanted. So please go prepared because you'll be confused, especially because they have small pieces, not like a couch where you can see what you want. So yeah. I also thought this couch was very hard, but surprisingly, it's comfy. Guys, I've settled for this. I was just coming to see, but it's cheap. Settled for this off-white. I was thinking this, but it's a bit dark, and this is too dark. So this is the, in case you're interested. This is this seat. Yeah. Bed Paris. Okay. Guys, I didn't know that I'll do this, but I've bought the seat. So we're going to unbox the TV, the washing machine, the water dispenser, and the seat. Hotpoint has crazy offers that they've made you be able to buy the seat. So run, don't walk. I've come to Bed Palace, that is in Dindegwa, Kiambu. So yeah. I'm so happy. Let me pay. Nimeona pay bill imekuja. But I'm very happy. So guys, let me make the payment. I'm now moneyless, but at least it's paid. Yes, it is paid. I'm so happy. I'm pumped. Now I'm over the moon. And tell me, it's so hard to vlog in public, right? Especially if you're alone. Very hard. Sawa. Sawa, asante. Umesema sato? Sawa.
But in case hata ishe before.
No. Niko tu available sato, that's why nina.
Oh, okay. So Saturday.
Sawa, thank you very much. Sasa tuone the product. Asante.
Karibu sana.
The sink to be removed so that my washing machine can fit here, so I can be able to close the door. So I'm predicting it will fit here. I really hope so. So the sink is gone, but these two bullets are still there, which is so annoying, but like, what can I do? So yeah. Anyway, acha tuone machine kikam kesho where it will fit. And nimeacha na masink zangu. These people can really annoy you. think about that later. Hi guys, how are you? It's the following day. We are now waiting for the items to arrive. I've received messages from Hotpoint that they are delivering. I've talked to the delivery guy. He has asked me if I'm there today, and they are on their way coming. Today is Sunday and I'm always at church, but I'm going to be late, or I'm not even going to go because I'm waiting for the items. So they don't do this the same day delivery, they do the next day delivery, which is cool. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for my 75-inch TV, period. That is my first TV to own with my partner. Both of us, like, this is our first homes. So the TV and the washing machine and the dispenser and the water dispenser. No more ghetto of having my bottle down there. So progress takes time, but you get there. And like I told you yesterday, guys, do not feel the pressure to do it, okay? So in case you have not subscribed, please do so. Let's grow and glow together. So I just wanted to update you guys. When they come, I will let you know. But first, I want to bake a cake so that those who deliver will have a piece of cake. I feel like for us who normally bake, cake is not that big. But for somebody who does not bake, like, when they get a piece of cake, they're very happy. And also, that is the much I can offer. Okay. So in case you didn't watch my video has gone live like 1 hour ago now. So in case you've not watched that video, please do so. I did a whole list, I took you through the whole process of baking the cake, so I won't take you through that process. I woke up at 5:30 because of excitement. It's currently 10. I've cleaned the house, I have washed my dishes, so I'm good. I've already showered, I've already oiled my face. Like, look at my face, it's tea, right? These ones are freckles. Imagine I got these freckles immediately my grandmother died in 2008, and she had them. I was so happy. Like, they give me joy. They give me joy to know that she's there with me. Anyway, so I will let me get you, let me come for you. I just wanted to let you know that I'm baking. Let me come for you so that we can receive the items. I want to do an unboxing because they will have to unbox it for me and mount the TV and ensure everything is working because my person is not here. So, and also I washed the house, and then after I washed, I was like, they will notify the house again. But that's okay. That's cool. That's cool. We shall figure shit out. Okay? Okay. Bye, guys. Okay, not bye. See you in a few hours. I'm done baking. It's now going in the oven. They're still not here, the delivery guys. So let me do a bit of studying, and then we will catch up when they come. The cake is ready. Guys, let me show you what I've done. I'm a perfectionist and I love perfection. So I've traced out where I want the TV to go. So that is how my TV is going to be against my wall. You see? You see? Yeah, this is nice. So I've come, I've measured. I've even gotten an accident while doing it. Anyway, I've also traced it. So what I've used to trace it, in case you're interested. So yeah, this is what I was doing. What I've used to trace it is this part, eraser, the blue part. So it's going to be easy for me. And I was also using a pencil. So you can see, pencil, yeah. So I'll just rub when that thing, when the TV is here. This is nice. I just wanted to show you guys. So they're not here yet, but once they come, I will keep you posted. The items are here, guys. I've been made the delivery guy because they're refusing kupandisha vitu up to 8th floor. which is always a problem I have to face. So I'm not even going to give them my cake because they're showing me attitude. So yeah,
please don't prevent
that's
the door
the
from moving.
update. Okay. Hi guys, the next day, imagine I did a whole video unboxing with you guys my water dispenser and I was out of frame, like shamelessly out of frame that I can't even post. But anyway, so I got this hot, normal and cold water dispenser from Hotpoint, of course, for 16,000 or 13,000, either or. And I love it, and it also has that like a safe button when you press the hot button, so good for me when I get my babies. So yeah, and the washing machine was installed correctly. It was drama, guys. And even after this I still had to do a lot because maji ilianza kutoka from the outlet. But I love this washing machine. It has been serving me well, and yeah, love it. At this point guys, nitakuwa najiletea vitu zangu, wamefika 6. So annoying. I think I'm too soft, right? Yeah, they've given me pillows and I'm not, now I'm happy because they've added for me some things than what I had paid, so now I'm happy. Guys, anytime I'm doing things, I'll be doing and my money is here because dealing with fundis, dealing with transport, dealing with things going up is hard. But the people of the palace, the transportees, they're doing a good job. I love good attitude. I love when people don't feel like I'm pushing them. Come a lot to a nini Hotpoint, but so they're coming up. You think A floor is the floor? You have to go another floor after A floor. So if you want to lift in a fit and then on another Is there another big purchase that I want to do? 2 more big purchases, so I'll still have to struggle. My month's study table and my island. So yeah. at this point I was just like, why am I stressing? So you'll see me pushing the cushion, and then I'll be like, why am I even bothering myself? So let this people come and fix. And so I was like, yeah, let me rest. But let me tell you, this show was delivered dirty. You can see, and I will also show you the other side. I've tried to remove it, but some imetoka, some imekata. So I was pissed. That part was also wet, very wet. Guys, I swear to God, people can test you. People can test you, in this era where business people think they're doing you a favor and you've paid them. People can test you. But yeah, I'll just give my review in the next video. Right now I'm a happy girl. At least I have everything that I need, and we'll do the next purchase in like 6 months or so, or if I get money earlier. If God blesses us, we can continue shopping. But for now, in case you've enjoyed this video, guys, please remember to subscribe. Let's grow and glow together. I'm so happy, and I love my space. Despite the small hiccups, I still love my space, and my space is tea. Love it. Bye, guys.
Say